I think it's a great organization. I think it's a great way of making films. I'm really impressed with the kind of process you're following. You sit down together, decide on a topic, and then write out a kind of a screenplay in an impromptu manner, and then you get down to shooting it. I think I like this process. When I came here first, it was in this clubhouse. There was a rehearsal going on, and you were planning to shoot it on the same day. I wasn't able to stay for the shoot, but I saw the rehearsal. It was good. I think the environment is good. You were not directing them all the time, or you were not monitoring the whole activity. It was as if they were volunteering to do something. You were an observer. And very seldom you were interfering in the matter, or very seldom you were playing the role of a moderator. That's what I liked about it. It's a style of leadership, I think. I think this base is very important. You need a base. You need a base for all this activity. You need some place where people could come, feel comfortable, and then a space wherein they could sit down, discuss, rehearse, and do all kinds of things. And then the space is important because all around the surroundings are good, and it's conducive for shooting, I suppose. It is essential that this kind of a group needs a place to meet regularly, to maintain the continuity. I think you need a base, because the groups keep changing, people keep changing, because everybody cannot attend every meeting. You need a base so that everybody can come to this place. I would definitely request the decision makers to allot this base to Vancouver B-Movie Factory, because it's not theory or it's not guessing. They've come up with a number of movies, and the proof of the pudding is in the eating. They've already made 300 and some short films, documentaries, etc. I think this is an excellent track record by any standard. I think I myself, I had visited this place about 2 years ago, May of 2016. I came here as a visitor. After I went back to my native place, I made at least 4 mini documentary films, and I attempted 1 short film. So the organization had inspired me to get into action and do something. And I'm sure Vancouver B-Movie Factory had motivated a large number of youth to make short films or mini documentaries or whatever they would like to do. So I'm talking about the track record. I think the track record is excellent by any standard. And for someone who has come up with this kind of a track record, you should pay a lot of attention. You should definitely allot them this place. Thank you.